The property of a Hindu female who dies intestate, or without a will, is distributed according to the rules set out in Section 16 of the Hindu Succession Act of 1956. 1. To the sons and daughters, including the children of any predeceased son or daughter, and the husband. 2. To the heirs of the husband. 3. To the mother and father. 4. To the heirs of the father. And 5. To the heirs of the mother. If the deceased female has no son or daughter, the property is distributed differently. If the property was inherited from the husband or father-in-law, it devolves to the husband's heir. If the property was inherited from the father or mother, it devolves to the father's heir. It's advisable for Hindu females to protect their assets and bequeath them to their desired beneficiaries. Without a will, the law may distribute the property to people the deceased never intended to inherit from. If a female Hindu dies intestate, her property will be passed on to her heirs in the following order. 1. Sons and daughters, including the children of any predeceased son or daughter, and the husband. 2. Heirs of the husband. 3. Mother and father. 4. Heirs of the father. And 5. Heirs of the mother. Here are some other rules for the succession of a female Hindu dying intestate. 1. Each surviving son and daughter, and the husband, takes one share. 2. If a son or daughter died before the intestate, but left a child, their branch will be allotted a share. 3. The surviving grandchild will take the share of the deceased parent. If there are multiple surviving grandchildren, they will divide the property equally. 4. If the woman is childless, the origin of her property will be determined. 5. If the property was inherited from the husband or father-in-law, it will go to the husband's heir. 6. If the property was inherited from the father or mother, it will go to the father's heir. And 7. If the property was self-acquired or gifted, it will go to the husband's heir, if the woman is a childless widow. The Hindu Succession Act, 1956, covers the succession of a Hindu female dying intestate.